Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading coming at you with this week's weekly trade recap video. We're looking at an hourly chart of SPY. This is for the 25th through the 29th of April, last trading week of the month. Which for the bulls, they're pretty happy about that because they pretty much got hammered all month. You're seeing obviously some pretty substantial selling in the after hours Friday. As you can see down here, this is after hours action. So there was a lot of movement, some distribution. That being said, clearly cleaned out all of this demand. Not a good look, right? Not a good look. Whether we're going to see a nice reversal off these levels, this zone, heading into May session remains to be seen, obviously, but there was a lot of messy trading last week, and the boys took advantage of it. When you get into these levels, there's a lot of nervous market participants, and that's when you see those drastic moves. Obviously, Street lays those traps all over the place, dangles that carrot for the manufactured pops that end up getting sold. And they pretty much chopped it up, pretty much like they did in the beginning of March before that rally. So it'd be interesting to see if we're gonna see pretty much a similar price action going into May that we saw in the second half of March after the chop session that the Street laid down. So it was an interesting week. We took plenty of stops in the week's session. Our weekly was really nice, actually. We traded a lot off of that. We put up a couple trade lesson videos throughout the week. If you haven't had a chance, go check those out. Come on back. But when the market's chopping up this much consecutively, you've got to exit your positions if you're wrong. The hope, pray, that something's going to turn around. And man, that's not a strategy. That's just a way to go to zero quickly, right? So, if you're wrong, take the L. Take the L, take the L, take a step back and wait, right? So there's no need to, think you're going to outlast the Street, because very high probability you're going to lose that battle. Very, very high probability. So just wait. So when the market's chopping up and moves aren't following through, more times than not, it's just bait, right? So do one of two things. You either sit in all cash or exit the position if you're in a wrong side of it. So anyway, but it did presents a lot of opportunities for that indecisiveness, right? For that nervous kind of market participant. So we had some really nice positions this week. Again, we took plenty of stops as well, so we're going to talk about all those that we didn't put up videos this week about. But let's just get down to it, guys. All right, let's go.